And Westmoreland women will take on St. Mary women in the final of the women's competition, while St. Elizabeth Masters advanced to next Sunday's final against Ultimate Masters in the SDC Community T20 cricket competition.
Batting first, Westmoreland women struggled to score boundaries at regular intervals in their 10-over per side contest against West Portland strikers. Lena Scott led the way with 25, but also had useful contributions from Kate Wilmot, who made 18. Nisha and Wasom was the only other batter into double figures with 10 in a score of 74 for 3. That was made to be a tough mountain for Portland to climb, thanks to twins Kate and Kate Wilmot with 3 for 8 and 2 for 13 respectively. Portland limped to 44 for 7 from their quota of overs and propelled Westmoreland into the final against St. Mary.
We know once we showed up, we have a chance, so that's what we do, even though we didn't get as much training as we like, but we got a lot of national, well-experienced girls, and they come out and execute the plan.
Meanwhile, St. Elizabeth Masters made their way into the November 28th final of that competition after a 28-run win over St. James. Trace Powell, 26, along with 21 from Andre Dixon and 20 from Cian Dyer, lifted the breadbasket parish to 98 for 3 in their 10 overs. Steve McCullough picked up 2 for 15. Needing just under 10 runs per over, Dixon stifled the St. James batting lineup that lost 8 wickets in getting their total of 70. He bagged 3 for 18 in an innings that Leon Hutchinson top scored with 22.
Congratulations to our team, and I want to thank my player very much for the good job that we have done today. We came here this morning as the defending champion, and as you can see, we on the way to the final.
The competition continues on November 20 with the semi-finals of the men's competition.